What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the videos. Also, thank you. We are at like 918 right now. We went up 17 subscribers from that last video, and that last video was posted 24 hours ago, and we're already at 1,000 views. So that's pretty freaking sick. We are in the Dirty Max today, as my car is still out of commission. We actually got to go grab the LCA's lower control arms for it. They're on my doorstep, and then the shop should be getting the inner and outer tie rods put in. I am about to head home. I will talk to you a little bit more once I get there. Well, I was really hoping to talk to you guys a little bit more once I got there, but it is now 5:24. I left just before 4 o'clock, and it has taken me an hour and 30 minutes to make a 30-minute portion of my regular commute. This sucks. This is dumb. But tie rod's all done. All the codes are still on the GTI, so I'll get to show you that. I'm hoping it just needs a relearn of some things. I know that the V-dubs are finicky like that. Casey's GLI, when it was messed up with its alignment, it freaked out. So I'm really hoping, cross my fingers, that we can just drive it and it'll relearn. We still obviously have to do the lower control arms, but that can wait for another day. That's not getting done this evening. But to all the Californians that keep moving here, this is what you're getting yourself into. So if you think you can handle it, by all means. I know it's dark, it's probably a little bit shaky. We just finally got the car back. All the lights have gone off except for that one, and that's because there's ice over my camera and ice on the front sensors. So that will go away once the ice melts. And then we're currently lipping it to the shop, and then we can do the lower control arms, and I will walk you guys through that process. Well, we got the new control arms on. The new LCAs are on the car. Car is aligned. Wheels and tires have been rebalanced. Now I'm gonna see if it vibrates as violently as it did when I picked it up. I've gone a little bit, but I haven't gone over 60 miles an hour, and that's about where the vibration picked up. And then at the end of this video, sorry I didn't show you putting the LCAs on. We had a lot going on, and it was pretty easy. Some 16s and some 18s and some patience. Also, if you have a pry bar, really helps you out. But total of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on each side, 5 bolts, and that is it. I'm gonna go ahead, put my seatbelt on, go for a drive, and come back and talk to you a little bit more about it. There's well, I don't know what came out of my mouth. There's most definitely still a little bit of a wobble. I'll get out, I'll show you guys kind of where it's coming from. I'm 90% sure it is one of the wheels. It's not terrible, but it is enough to notice. It's not nearly as bad as it was. Really kind of hard to tell on camera, but if you look right there, it's bending a little bit. This one's kind of just shaved, not bent at all. And then it did crack my fender too. Overall, it's fixed for the time being. There's a lot coming this year for this car that I will make a whole separate video about. I'm gonna try and push my limits a little bit this year, particularly with this vehicle, but in order to do so, I need the S2K to be 100%. Also, while I'm thinking about it, I'll show you those new control arms if I can get up under there. I went with the MQB SuperPro control arms. The ones for the Mark 7, they do fit the Mark 8, so that worked out for us. I do, in fact, read all the comments. Thank you to this person here for the comment about my camping chair. Yes, we will be getting an actual office chair. I guess when we hit 1,000 subscribers. So that was pretty funny. I appreciated it. All in good nature. So thank you all for watching. Like this past week, we've grown almost 50 subscribers. That's pretty dope. Right after I made that Mark 8 GTI video, Mark 8.5 video, we went up quite a bit. So that's rad. But I'm just going to sit down, talk to you guys for a bit. SuperPro control arms are great. They make the feeling of the steering a little bit more present, a little tighter, and it's not as numb. That's my wife's. She likes cows. Anyways, pretty good bang for your buck. More so if you were doing this anyways, that's when I would recommend upgrading those. Or if you had to drop the subframe. We did not, being that it was manual. You run into an issue with one of the lower control arm bolts hitting the transmission on the automatics. But we did not encounter that. So that's all good. Casey's car is totaled. Insurance totaled it, so he is out looking at new vehicles occasionally. If you guys have any recommendations, by all means put them down in the comments below. I do look at all of the comments and I reply to most of them. Justice's car is still up in the air, so we'll have to probably go through our own insurance for that. And then the S2000 we're not really going to do anything with at the moment. It's just not worth it. They offered us $93 to fix the S2K. So, yeah. All right. Without further ado, sorry, this is just a little update video. Keep you guys in the loop on what's going on. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you coming back every week. And I appreciate all the new subscribers, all the new faces. Stick around. This year's going to be crazy. So, turn those notifications on. Hit the little bell. And we'll see you next time. Peace.